Guess what it is? And I'm a content creator. Let's unbox this beautiful gadget I got from the TikTok shop. So this is long awaiting request, and I've always wished to have this, and finally it's here. For anyone who is interested to get this product, I'm going to leave the link in the either in the comments or somewhere. You'll find the link of this product. You can actually get it. I'm so dramatic. I've been wanting to have this particular gadget for a very long time, and thanks to TikTok shop, it came to pass. So this is a digital camera. It's a maximum 56 megapixel. I don't know what that is, but we're gonna try it. It can zoom up to 16 times and has a video cam as well. So let's see what's inside. So these are all the things that it comes with. It came with a free guide, a lens cleaner, I guess, because we normally have this in glasses as well, but this is to clean the lens. It came with this thank you whatever, that's it. It says, let me show you. It says, thank you so much for choosing our product. We sincerely appreciate your support and hope you have a wonderful shopping. If you encounter any issues with our product, please do well to contact. I don't even want to say there's issue. It came with this lens cover, the charger, cord,
What's that?
some batteries. There's a battery, a charger, and then okay, this is what the camera battery looks like.
What's that?
It's my digital camera. Come and say hello to the camera.
Hello.
Hello. She's saying hi. Come and say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
So that's what the battery looks like. Very small, portable. I've always wanted this, and I got it. And behold, the Oga Wata of the whole matter. Wow, that's it. Ooh, I love this. Yeah, it has this as well. I think it can open like that. What's gonna be here? Oh, this is me watching myself just in case, and I'm gonna put it back. Nice one. So that's it. I think it came with 2 batteries. There's already 1 battery in there. What's this one? Anyway, manual, I will learn it. I've always been using phone, and all those buttons. Triumph, why? And once again, it also came with this. I think this is the the lens. The lens. Yeah, am I opening it the right way? Oh, yeah. Am I opening it the right way? I don't even know. I'll go and watch the manual and check if I did it the right way. Oh yeah, that's it. I can't wait to see what I'm going to be creating with this. At least I will see what I will do today. So guys, that's all I've got. That's all we got, and I'm happy I was able to achieve this. The link will be in my comment section. You can click to get here. Thank you. Bye guys.